Hey folks, today we're making chili cucumbers. They're not super spicy, so if you like it hot, add more chili peppers. You'll find the exact ingredients in the video description. New viewers, please subscribe to my channel. I've got 3 kilograms of cucumbers here. Cut smaller ones in half, larger ones into thick slices. Add 4 TBSP salt, set aside for 5 hours. Then prepare vinegar, 10 TBSP oil, 350 g sugar, 3 bay leaves, and 1 TBSP pepper. Add allspice berries, then boil the mixture. While it's boiling, drain excess water from the cucumbers. Add a whole head of pressed garlic and 3 teaspoons of chili powder. I add a bit extra. For spicier pickles, add more. Gently stir to avoid breaking cucumbers. Add 1 more sliced chili pepper. Once boiling, pour over cucumbers and mix. Let sit for an hour, stirring once or twice. After an hour, they'll look like this. Now, pack them tightly into. As you can see, I'm not leaving any gaps here. We won't add much brine to these cucumbers. I've divided the allspice, peppercorns, and bay leaves, so there's enough for each jar. Now we pour in the prepared brine, leaving about a centimeter of space. I'm using a fork to release any trapped air. This helps remove air from the jar. We can add a bit more brine to cover the cucumbers. Seal tightly, then pasteurize for 10 minutes. After that, remove the jars and turn them upside down until they're completely cool. Then they can be stored in the cellar. It's best to eat them about 2 weeks after preparation. By then, they'll have the right flavor. Let me know if you make these pickles. Thanks for watching. Take care and see you next time.